It gives me a great pleasure to preside over the national level webinar on the topic Corona and International Politics. Respected resource persons, Dr. Rajesh Kharath, Dean, Humanities, Mumbai University, and Professor of South Asian Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Dr. Shivajirao Patil, Head of the Department of Politics, Shivaji College, Satara. Our Principal, Dr. S.D. Pawar, Dr. P.Y. Phadnis, IQAC Coordinator of our college, and Dr. P.Y. Mr. V.S. Panaskar, Convener of Webinar, Department of Political Science, and all the delegates from different colleges. At the very outset, I would like to give you a brief account of our Koina Education Society. Koina Society pattern was founded on 8 December 1967, 3 days after the establishment of our institute. Disaster earthquake rocked the western Maharashtra. The Patan Tehsil is known as hilly and earthquake-prone area of Western Ghat. The motto of our institute is Jnanadipena Bhasvata. The meaning of this motto is to remove the darkness of ignorance of our youth residing in the remote part of this region. We encourage them to be self-reliant by developing their life skill. Our institute is committed as to enlighten their lives by providing opportunities of education for their all-round progress. At present, Koina Education Society runs 1 primary school, 20 high schools, 1 girls' school, 5 junior colleges, 2 senior colleges, 1 ITI, and 1 printing press. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that Koina Society is recognized as one of the leading and excellent institute not only in Satara district but also in Maharashtra state. Many of our schools have maintained a tradition of continuously brilliant result, and we are proud to tell you that the schools have obtained ISO ranking and our college has also obtained ISO ranking. In this area of science and technology, thousands of students are seen doing their duties and serving the society in various capacities. Ours is the lion's share in forming the good and responsible citizens who are performing their duties with a sense of devotion in order to promote a sense of wisdom and scientific temper among the students. Various co-curricular and extracurricular activities are temperamented every year in our school and colleges. we feel very proud and satisfied when we see our students exhibiting a fusion of knowledge and humanity throughout their honest deeds. Though their devotion and discipline, our students' attempts to achieve success maintain the reputation of the institute. Our institute is always eager to welcome and accept the challenging values and policies in the field of education. We are proud to tell you that a part of social commitment we have given our college hostel to the government for corona affected patients. We sincerely think that taking into consideration the changing policies of education, every college should acknowledge the advanced science and technology and also ready to make a note of various happenings at the national and international level. Quinine Society is always prone to accept changes. All of us know that today the entire world is going through a critical situation because of outbreak of corona virus. Due to this, every human existence and the lifestyle has drastically changed. As a part of this, our Barasaheb Desai College has organized webinar to deliberate on the topic impact of corona on the international politics. It will also discuss the impact of our virus on the Indian politics. I am extremely glad that all of you have taken active participation to the webinar. I convey my best compliments to the program. I hope that deliberations in the webinar will become fruitful and it will help you to come out with some solid solutions. I wish you a great success. Thank you.